Alright guys, so basically I was scrolling through TikTok where I found this AI TikTok Fruit channel uploading Fortnite style videos, and trust me you guys, these videos are going crazy viral. Like take a look at this views, like 1.9 million, 2.2 million. So let's just go ahead and watch this video together.
Aight, babe, I'm finna hit the gym real quick.
I bet. I'ma run a few ranked games while you gone.
I won't be long.
Be safe, shawty.
Alright guys, so these videos are really easy to make. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the complete method where you can create these videos without spending a single dollar. I'm gonna be also providing the master prompt for you guys through which you can do everything step by step. You can automate the entire process and create these kind of Fortnite style videos within minutes. So yeah, without further ado you guys, let's just go ahead and jump right into it. Alright guys, so this is the master prompt that I rated for you guys. So it contains basically everything. You don't have to write your own story. It's gonna give you the story suggestion. It's gonna give you the image prompt, video prompts, title, SEO, thumbnail, everything you'll be provided with the help of this master prompt. So I'm going to provide the link of that down in the description for you guys so that you can just do everything. You can automate everything on your own. So first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to simply copy this whole master prompt with you, and then you're going to go inside of new tab of Google Gemini. Simply paste your whole master prompt right over here, just like that, nothing more. Click on submit. Alright, and after that it's going to say, welcome to the Fortnite animated short production pipeline. I'm your AI director and pipeline producer. Yep, that's exactly what we want. We are going to craft a high retention viral short designed to blow up on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Perfect. So first of all, we have the phase one where it says story, concept, and ideation. So it has basically given you three high retention viral story concepts that you can choose between. And if you don't want, like, if you're not liking any of these concepts, you can definitely ask for more concept. So let's just say we have the concept one as the ultimate betrayal at Tilted. Okay. So then we have slurp, juice, heartbeat. So as you guys can see, all the terminologies, all the location, the characters are exactly the same, like how it was in Fortnite. So yeah, that's really incredible. Like everything would be Fortnite themed, like not anything outside of that. So let's just say from here we like the concept one really much. So I'm gonna go ahead and simply reply with concept one. That's it. And then it's going to go ahead and basically start the phase two where it will break down the whole story in scene by scene. So scene one, we have Tilted Towers, very end game. Scene two, we have this. Scene three, we have the snake moves. Scene five, scene six, scene seven, all the way till scene 10. Okay. So let's just say when we are okay with all the scenes. So next thing, it's asking me, do you approve this script and breakdown of dialogues? So I'm going to say simply approve, just like that. Click on submit, and then it's gonna go ahead and basically start giving you the image generation prompts. And take a look at these, you guys. All the image prompts are in JSON format. Perfect, because that's what we want. That's what we want for perfect consistency, perfect accuracy. And take a look at how detailed are this, like with the help of just one master prompt, we are not literally doing anything else. We're just doing yes, okay, approved, and it's creating everything on your own, like and you can basically do that for all of your stories. Like it can give you more and more concepts, like the possibilities are endless, you guys. Okay, so now once we have all our image prompts with us done, and then it's gonna say reply with approved, so that it can give you phase 4 video generation prompts also in JSON format. So let's just say from here I say approved, click on enter. Then it's gonna go ahead and start giving us the phase 4 video generation prompt also in JSON format with dialogues and everything, with camera movement, with SFX, sound effects, everything would be right over there. So yeah, that's absolutely perfect. And let's just say after that, it's gonna say reply with approve, so that it can start giving you the SEO package and thumbnails. So I'm gonna go ahead and say approved, click on submit. And then the video prompts are approved as well. So phase 5 is SEO package and thumbnail prompts. So we have high CTR video title, 3 variation, SEO description, hashtags. We have also the JSON prompt for thumbnails. So like it's literally crazy. Like, with the help of just master prompt, we are able to achieve all this. So now let's just go ahead and start testing this out and see how accurate this is, or it was just like, BS. So we're going to go ahead and start by creating image prompts one by one. So let's just go ahead and create images. So for creating images, I'm going to go inside of the new tab of Google Gemini. And yeah, you guys, I'll be doing everything for free, no subscription required, nothing at all, you guys. Okay. So now for creating images, I'm gonna go ahead and simply click on create image and then simply copy paste my prompt right over here that we generated inside of master prompt, just like that. Just like that, it's done. We have now our first image ready. Take a look at this, you guys. This looks absolutely perfect. And similarly, you can go ahead and start creating all the rest of the images that, this image prompts provide us all the way till scene 10. Like this is our scene 2, then we have our scene 3. You can take a look at, the whole entire theme is Fortnite based, and that is absolutely incredible. Then we have scene 4, then we have scene 5, scene 6, all the way, till scene 10, you guys, okay? So now once all of your images are done, so you can go ahead and simply download it. And after, we can go ahead and start generating the video prompts that the same master prompt provided us for all the 10 scenes. So for creating video prompts like videos, I'm going to be doing again the free version, the free method. I'll be using Google Flow. It's not like totally free, but here's the trick. It gives you 50 credits every single day. So with the help of 50 credit, it means it's going to only consume 15 credits for one video. So one account you'll be able to create 3 videos. So here you guys can see I have used actually 4 accounts over here. So 4 times 3 is 12. So the best one is I'll be able to generate 12 scenes with the help of all these accounts for absolutely free without paying a single dollar, you guys, right? So yeah, after all of my videos are done, you guys can see right over here, I can simply go ahead and download all of them with me one by one. But first, let me show you one video just for you to get an idea like how Google Flow actually created it. And yeah, you guys, for Fortnite based videos and stories, you won't get any community guidelines, nothing like no copyright material, no error at all. So you don't have to worry about it. So let's take a look at this video, you guys.
All right, babe, I'm finna hit the gym real quick.
I bet. I'm gonna run a few ranked games while you gone.
And yeah, this one as well.
I won't be long.
Be safe, shawty.
And this one as well. Now let's take a look at this one.
Don't make me peel off your banana peels and turn you into a smoothie. I will rip your peels off, boy.
So as you guys can see, these videos turned out absolutely perfect. So now when all of your videos are done, you simply can go ahead and download all of this one by one with the help of this download button in 720p. And after that, what you need to do is you need to simply combine all of these videos together in any video editor. I use Filmora over here. Just put in your background music that you think is your favorite and simply, just combine all the clips together. And I'm gonna go ahead and export this and let me show you the final output, you guys.
All right, babe, I'm finna hit the gym real quick.
I bet. I'm gonna run a few ranked games while you gone.
I won't be long.
Be safe, shawty.
He really trusted me. I can't mess this up.
Yo, you training like crazy. Hey,
Appreciate it, but I got a man.
that's exactly why you different. All right, help me finish this last set, then let's grab a slurp.
You good, bae?
Yeah, I'm just tired.
Come on, eat something. Talk to me, babe. What's going on?
Peely crossed a line.
Why didn't you tell me?
I was embarrassed.
Listen up, banana face. You better stay away from my girl, bro.
Nah, I'ma do what I want, cuh.
You better stay out my relationship before I make you, cuh. Don't make me peel off your banana peels and turn you into a smoothie. I will rip your peels off, boy. Bring it on. That's what you get, cuh. I warned you, bro. Now I'm finna turn you into a smoothie, cuh. My girl thirsty anyway, cuh.
Cuh, I made you some banana smoothies.
Aw, you really did all this for me?
Of course. Anything for my girl.
After everything that happened, I'm glad we're still here.
Yeah, we've been through a lot.
You still trusted me.
Always. You're my teammate for life, cuh.
So yeah, there you have it, guys. This was the easiest method. With the help of that perfect master prompt, you can easily achieve this type of consistency, this type of video generation in Fortnite style AI fruit videos now. So yeah, I hope you like this video, guys. If you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you have any video suggestion, comment down below, or you can directly DM me on Instagram at aizenstudios.yt. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.